Presenting the 992 Digital Bevel, an affordable precision angle measurer and level. The 992 has a sturdy box frame constructed of anodized aluminum, an integrated level vial, and an adjustable blade which locks at any angle for marking and cutting. The 992 has a clear and easy to use digital display which shows the precise angle of the adjustable arm. Simply move the arm to exactly the angle you need and lock it in place. The digital display conveniently flips when the level is turned upside down, so you can always clearly see the measurement. You can set the reference angle to a false 0 for transferring angle measurements and for gradient and slope measuring with the push of one button. The digital unit has a handy hold function as well to save a measurement when the arm is closed and transfer it later. The 992 has a simple calibration feature as well, so you can always be sure that your measurements are precise, and an impressive digital accuracy of less than 0.1 degrees. Capro's 992 Digital Bevel. Intuitive features, easy functionality, and maximum precision for a great price delivers you added value for professional results.
The mixing mate means the end of wooden stick paint mixers, and the end of reopening and reclosing a can of paint with a screwdriver and a mallet. This mixing, pouring, and storing tool is built right into a reusable paint can lid. The lid locks securely onto cans of paint, stain, or varnish, keeping the contents safe from spills and drying out. The paddle inside mixes with each crank of the handle. It's designed to lift settled pigments from the bottom of the can, so paint is more thoroughly mixed. A spring-loaded spout meters out neat pours, which you control with the trigger on the handle. When you're done, the lid can stay on the can, or you can rinse it off to use on another one. The mixing mate comes from Rockler Woodworking and Hardware Company, which has been family-run for 60 years.